drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. you're a stranger, out of sight, out of mind, no wanting to surrender. We put up a good fight for deer in a headlight, like a
catching fire before it ever starts. I guess I should have said I'll let you down. I'll make you feel like nothing but a fool, like just another thrill. And I'll take you high, ooh, then I'll push you out. Yeah, I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now. Even highways sound like oceans if you're far enough away. And it's all just smoke and illusion, and you've still got a hold on me. I really should have said I'll let you down. I'll make you feel
It's the beat of you and me. It takes more than words to know. It takes more than bills to show.